Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to enjoy a slow and easy English story about a day out with friends. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing conversation between Sam and Mina. They meet at the station, go to a café, visit a bakery, walk in the park, and talk about their hobbies. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Sam usually put in his coffee? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina.
Good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. I'm really happy to see you.
Me too. I was looking forward to today.
The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sky is very blue and clear, not a single cloud.
It's warm, too. I didn't bring my jacket.
That's fine. I checked the weather this morning. It will stay warm all day.
Perfect. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I was so excited about today that I went to bed early.
Me too, actually. So, what do you want to do today?
Well, first, let's get some coffee. There's a really nice cafe near here.
That sounds great. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. And after that, we can walk around and enjoy the day.
I like that plan. Is the cafe far from here?
No, not at all. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's very close.
Great. I'm already excited.
You really love coffee, don't you?
Yes, I do. I can't start my day without it. It's my morning routine.
I understand. I'm the same way. How do you like your coffee? Black?
No, I usually put a little milk in it, but no sugar. How about you?
I don't drink coffee, actually. I usually get tea.
Oh, really? That's interesting. Okay then, let's go find your tea and my coffee.
Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a nice day, but I still prefer hot coffee.
I understand. A lot of people feel the same way. Do you want any milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
Okay. And how about sugar?
No sugar for me, thanks. I like my coffee with just milk. I think it tastes better that way.
Got it. A medium hot coffee with a little milk and no sugar. Do you want anything else?
That's right. And can I also get a medium iced tea, please? It's for my friend.
Of course. Any sugar in the iced tea?
I'm not sure. Let me think. Actually, no sugar is fine. She usually doesn't like sugar in her drinks.
No problem. So, 1 medium hot coffee with milk and 1 medium iced tea with no sugar. That will be $6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drinks will be ready in just a moment. Please wait over there.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your drinks today.
Here's your iced tea. I didn't add sugar. Is that okay?
That's perfect. You know me well. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome. Okay, let me try my coffee. This is really good.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
Yes, the coffee is very smooth. Not too strong, not too weak. Just right.
That's why I like this place. They make everything just right.
How's your iced tea?
It's really good. It's very cold and refreshing. Perfect for a warm day like this.
That sounds nice. This cafe has a really nice feeling, too. It's quiet and relaxing.
Yes, I love the music they play here. It's very soft and calm. It makes me feel peaceful.
And the chairs are really comfortable. I could sit here all day.
We have other things to do today, remember?
Right. So, do you come here often?
Yes, I come here about once a week, usually on Saturday mornings. It's my favorite cafe.
Once a week? You must really love this place.
I do. The staff are always friendly and the drinks are always delicious.
I noticed that. The person at the counter was very kind.
Right? They always smile and remember what I like.
I can see why. It's a really wonderful place. I want to come back here soon.
I'm happy I could share it with you. It feels nice to come here with someone.
Thank you for bringing me here. Next time, I want to try their cake too.
Yes, their cake is really good. You'll love it.
Something to look forward to.
Okay, shall we go? I want to show you a bakery near here.
A bakery? That sounds wonderful. Let's go.
Hello, welcome. Please take your time and look around.
Thank you. Everything looks so delicious, it's hard to choose. What do you recommend today?
Our chocolate bread is very popular today. Many people bought it this morning. And the cheese bread is also really good.
They both look great. I'll take 1 chocolate bread, please. How much is it?
The chocolate bread is $2.50.
Okay. And actually, let me get 1 cheese bread, too. My friend might want to try it. Is the cheese bread soft?
Yes, it's very soft and warm. We baked it just 30 minutes ago. It's still fresh.
That sounds perfect.
Sure. The cheese bread is $2, so your total is $4.50.
Okay, here's $5.
Thank you. And here's your change, 50 cents.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag for your bread?
Yes, please. That would be helpful. We're going to eat them outside.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Here you go. The bread is best when it's fresh, so please enjoy it soon.
We will. They smell so good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If you like those, next time you should try our melon bread. It's also very popular.
Melon bread? I love melon bread. I'll definitely try it next time. Thank you.
Please come again soon. Wow, this park is beautiful. The trees are so green.
I know, right? I love coming here, especially on days like this.
The weather really is perfect for being outside. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, it's the best kind of day for walking outside. I feel so relaxed.
I agree. And the park is so peaceful. I can hear birds singing.
Yes, there are many birds here. Sometimes I see squirrels too.
Really? That's cute. I love nature. It makes me feel happy and calm.
Me too. It's nice to get away from the city sometimes. Do you take walks often?
Yes, I try to walk every day, usually in the morning or after dinner.
Every day? That's really healthy. How long do you usually walk?
About 30 minutes, sometimes longer if the weather is nice, like today.
That sounds nice. I should walk more too. I usually just stay home on my days off.
You should try it. Walking is great for your body and your mind. You feel so fresh after a good walk.
You're right. Maybe I'll start walking in this park every weekend. It would be good for me.
Definitely. And you can take pictures while you walk. That's 2 hobbies at the same time.
Haha, that's a great idea. I didn't think of that.
Oh, look. There's a nice bench over there, under that big tree. Do you want to sit down and eat the bread?
Yes, let's sit there. I'm getting a little hungry, actually.
Me too. The bread smells amazing.
Here, try the cheese bread first. I got it for you.
Really? That's so kind of you. Thank you, Mina.
Of course. Let's eat.
This cheese bread is so delicious. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. The chocolate one is really good too. Do you want to try a little?
Can I? Thank you.
Of course. Here you go.
That's amazing too. Okay, so I want to know more about you. What are your hobbies, Mina?
Well, I really like reading. I read books almost every night before I sleep.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of books do you read?
I like novels, especially love stories and mystery stories. A good book can take me to another world.
That's a beautiful way to say it. I wish I read more books.
You should try. I can recommend some easy and fun books for you. How about you, Sam? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I really like cooking. I try new dishes every week.
Really? That's wonderful. What kind of food do you cook?
I like making Italian food like pasta and pizza, but recently I've been trying to cook Japanese food too.
Japanese food? That's great. What Japanese dishes have you tried?
I made curry last week. It was pretty good, I think. I also tried to make rice balls once, but they fell apart.
Rice balls are tricky. You need to use the right amount of water. I can teach you sometime.
Really? I would love that. And I'll cook Italian food for you in return.
That sounds great. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like listening to music. I listen to music when I cook, when I walk, and before I sleep.
What kind of music do you like?
I like many kinds: rock, pop, and jazz. I've been listening to some Japanese music lately too.
You really are interested in Japanese things.
Of course, that's one of the reasons I'm here. What about you? Do you have other hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I also like taking pictures. I take photos of flowers, food, and nice places with my phone.
Oh, that's cool. Do you share your photos anywhere?
Yes, I put them on social media sometimes. My friends say they're good.
I'm sure they are. You have a good eye for beautiful things, I think.
Thank you. That's a very nice thing to say.
I mean it. I really enjoy spending time with you, Mina.
I enjoy it too. It's really fun talking with you like this.
Well, we're back at the station already. I can't believe it. Time went so fast.
I know. I had such a great time today. Every moment was fun.
Me too. I had a really wonderful day. The coffee, the bread, the park, everything was perfect.
I'm so happy to hear that. I enjoyed every part of today too.
And I learned a lot about you today. Your hobbies are really interesting.
Thank you. I also learned about you. I didn't know you could cook. I really want to try your food.
I promise I'll make something for you. Maybe next time we meet?
That would be amazing. I would really like that. When are you free next?
How about next Saturday? I can cook lunch for us at my place.
Next Saturday sounds perfect. I'll bring something too. Maybe some cake or fruit.
You don't have to bring anything, but that would be very nice.
Of course I'll bring something. It's more fun to share things, right?
You're right. Okay, so next Saturday it is. I'll send you a message about the time.
Sounds good. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I should go now. Thank you for today, Mina. It was really special.
Thank you too, Sam. I had a lovely day with you.
Take care on your way home. Send me a message when you get there, okay?
I will. You be careful too. Don't forget to send me the time for Saturday.
I won't forget, I promise. See you next Saturday, Mina.
See you next Saturday. I hope your cooking goes well. I know it will be delicious.
I'll do my best. Have a good night, Mina.
Good night, Sam. Today was a really great day.
It really was. One of the best days I've had. Bye, Mina.
Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Sam usually put in his coffee? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.